So I'm gonna make a quick video, just doing a quick overview on this JHM. It's the B7 RS4 clutch kit that they make for the B5 S4 2.7T cars. The S4, any 2.7T car, the A6 and the A4 or the S4. I believe this is a special flywheel that JHM machines. All the information is on the website. I'm sure if you found this video, then you're considering this clutch kit. Overall, I think it's obviously great quality. I haven't tried to use it yet, so just unboxing, looking at it, everything looks great. But the reason why I'm making this video because I didn't see anyone explaining or showing what it is, before buying it. And on the JHM website, it shows multiple different configurations you can get it. It's unique for sure. This is the stage 3 clutch. It says B7 RS4 on it in the part number. So I assume because we're using the B7 S4 pressure plate, it uses a B7 S4 clutch. I upgraded to the stage 3 disc, and this disc is very unique. I've installed many aftermarket clutches before. This is the first time I see an aftermarket clutch that has two different materials on both surfaces of the clutch. I interested to see how it feels driving around, how the clutch pedal feels, but we got two different friction surfaces here. Other than that, everything looks great. I would like to give this a try and see how it feels. This is the flywheel that makes bolting this up possible to the B5 car, or the 2.7 turbo. And flywheel, it's lightened. It's got a bearing in here, like a rolling element bearing is in there. It's got some grease on it. Overall, it looks great, but it is a unique clutch kit. This is the B7 pressure plate, like I said. So this is just like, I believe, an OEM. It's the Luke brand, or LUK. Not sure how to pronounce it, but I assume they are the OEM or similar. I know the OEM stuff in that brand is pretty popular. The clutch disc, I'm not sure who makes it, or if JHM makes it, but it does look like a very nice clutch disc compared to anything else I've seen. Definitely we'll see how it works. It's hard to go off of what these things look like, but just wanted to show you guys that's what the kit looks like. It's not cheap. It's hard to pull the trigger on this, at close to 1,500 bucks. But I'm hoping that this is going to be one of those one and done. This is going here in my wagon. That car is supposed to make, I'm hoping like 450 horsepower or something. So this is going to be plenty of clutch for it, but I would rather always overdo it on the clutch. I feel like, it's one of those things that you don't want to underdo it, then have to go and replace it. Okay, it just comes with flywheel bolts, bearing, alignment tool, just like your basic clutch kit stuff. I believe there is pressure plate bolts as well right here. They do use washer under the bolts, so I'm not sure if that's an Audi thing or not, but I just haven't seen that in many clutches that there is a washer under the pressure plate bolts. So if you get that kit, just be careful. If you take off the pressure plate, there's these little tiny washers underneath these guys. All right, that's it. I just wanted to show you guys this clutch kit.